Is it normal to be this sad about giving up a Jetta? Today is a bit of a sad day. Today is the day that my Jetta lease is up. Now, if you guys have been around with the channel for a little bit, you know that I have been doing a little bit of stuff to this Jetta. I repainted the wheels, I did window tint, we did the heated seats on the inside, and tried to buff out some of the scratches and door dings. I say this is a bit of a sad day because I've had this car for 4 years, so my 4-year lease is up. I do not have a car ready to drive right now. So in the meantime, I will be driving Ryan's Jetta. As you all know, if you follow his channel, he has a truck that he basically just finished the lift and wheels on literally yesterday. So he will be driving that thing probably non-stop, and since his Jetta just sits in front of our house, he agreed to let me borrow it until I get another car. Now, what will my next car be? Well, it's actually one of my favorite cars that I've ever had the pleasure of owning, and that is a Jeep Wrangler. Now, I will be getting the new body style, and if any of you car enthusiasts know, you guys, Ben, that car's been out for since January, since February. But the reason I don't have one, or I don't have one on order, is because of one reason, and one reason only. You see, the new JL Wrangler, it's really nice, looks great in gray and black, and the other gray, and the other gray, and white, but that's all I ever see is grayscale vehicles. There's literally a silver, a darker silver, a black, a gray, and a white. That's 5 colors that are not even colors. They do have a red, but the red option is what everybody else gets that doesn't want black or gray or white. Now this all leads back to why I don't have mine yet. I don't want to be like anybody else, especially in a Jeep Wrangler. I want to stand out above everybody else. The reason I don't have mine on order is because I literally cannot order it at this time. There are 3 other colors available to order, and that is Pumpkin, which is orange, Mojito, which is green, and Ocean Blue, which is obviously a deep blue. There's also another color that was announced that was going to be late availability, and it'll be available to order just before the 2018 model year ends. Now, I'm not talking about Nacho because the Nacho color was one of the weird ones. They announced it, they said it was going to be a color, they made it, but then they stopped making it and they said they are not going to produce anymore. So that is a super rare color. I've only ever seen 2 of those in a Rubicon, and one was in Canada and one was in the US. Other than that, they've pretty much all been sports or Saharas. The color I want is called Hella Yellow. That was supposed to be released 2 months ago, and since I've been in contact with the dealer that I'm buying it from, they said, oh, it's going to be next month. So last month I checked again with them, and they said they have not heard anything, and it got pushed back to June. So in 1 week from today, I will be able to order the Hella Yellow according to the dealership. Now, it seems kind of dumb that I would wait all this time just for a color, but the difference is it's a color that nobody will have, especially in my area. Now, it's going to be a pretty specialized color. See, I'm going to have the Hella Yellow Rubicon. It's not going to be a sport, it's not going to be a Sahara. Me personally, I like to stand out above everybody. The trend for automotive is actually shifting away from all the blackout packages. It's actually going toward more brighter colors, fun colors, more obnoxious colors, if you will. You can already see the trend shift if you already follow Ryan. You know his truck is literally one of a kind. 2017 manual Cummins, but also in Hills Green. That color is a special order color, making his truck one of one. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a Wrangler if I didn't get it in a manual transmission. So I will be ordering a manual transmission. Now, as far as aftermarket mods, you guys will have to keep watching my channel and watch the build progress, because like I said, it is going to be a one-of-a-kind Wrangler. A bit of a sad day, but at the same time, it is a start of a new era on this channel. So if you guys want to see the build, and if you want to see one-of-a-kind Wrangler in a very rare color be built from the ground up, get down there, hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up on this video, and leave a comment below on some of the modifications that you think I should do to the Wrangler, something you want to see done to my Wrangler. But anyways, guys, it's time to clean out my car, take it for one last drive, and then say goodbye to the Jetta. Just remembered I have to throw these ugly things back on. There wasn't much to clean out, fairly simple. Did have to put my hubcaps back on, which makes the car look 10 times worse. But I did find these stickers, so I'm going to go ahead and slap it on. Yo, you check the sticker out on the back? You like that? I hope they say something. This is just something that we do all the time at work. We put on each other's cars, mess around. I requested that he print one out. That way I could put it on there for when I turn the vehicle in. So we'll see if they say anything. And now, the final voyage of the Turd Burglar, aka the Jetta. I'm gonna miss this cockpit. Is it normal to be this sad about giving up a Jetta? Alright guys, we made it to the dealership. So this is the final destination here. You can see Ryan's truck here, ready to take us home. Look how big it is compared to my car. Massive. It was easy as going into the dealership and handing my key, singular key, because my other one was stolen, to one of the salespeople, and that was it. It's like, I was kind of expecting it to be more, I don't know, exciting. It was really just, yeah, I'll take the key and you're good to go. So there she is. Well, I left the window down, but that's not my problem anymore. On to greener pastures. Well, ironic.
Yellow.
Yellower pastures. Thanks again guys for tuning in. If you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel when you want to see the Wrangler build. It's coming very soon. I should be able to order it next week. So you guys will be along for that video as well. And yeah, see you in the next one.